What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to cast your phone screen onto your laptop. It's super easy, trust me. No need for complicated software or anything like that. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is make sure both your PC and your mobile phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for the casting process to work smoothly. On your Windows PC, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. From there, go to System and then scroll down to find Projecting to this PC. If you see an error message saying Miracast or Projecting to this PC is not supported, don't worry. This is a common issue. To fix it, make sure your Windows and network drivers are up to date. You can usually update these through Windows Update. To enable wireless display, click on Optional Features under Projecting to this PC. Then click on View Features. Search for wireless display and check the box next to it. Click Next and then Install. This might take a few minutes. Once the wireless display is installed, go back to Projecting to this PC. Change the drop-down menu from Always Off to Available Everywhere. This allows any device to connect to your PC. Next, click on the drop-down menu that says Ask to project this PC and choose First Time Only. Next, click on Require PIN for pairing and select Never. This means you won't need a PIN every time you connect your phone. Click on Launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. You'll see a blue screen indicating that your PC is ready to receive a connection. Now it's time to connect your phone. Swipe down from the top of your phone's screen to access the quick settings menu. Look for an option like Screencast, Miracast, Smart View, Sharecast, or Wireless Display. The exact name might vary depending on your phone's brand. Tap on the screencasting option and you should see your Windows 11 PC listed. Select it to start the connection. You may need to allow permissions on both your phone and PC. That's it, your phone screen should now be mirrored on your laptop. You can now enjoy watching videos, playing games, or using any app on your phone's big screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.